welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday. I did not film Friday or Saturday because Saturday we had our UFO fair, which was very nice, but it was very hot. So I didn't get to go shopping yesterday. I just basically came home, unpacked the car, and collapsed. But today we went shopping and we went on an epic shopping trip. We went to 4 stores or 5? 1, 2, 4 stores. We started off at Target where we got some very exciting deodorant, hand sanitizer, and a recharger for Maddie's air conditioning in her car. But this is the real exciting part. I've never done a gel manicure before. I didn't even buy this for my hands because I don't usually like nail polish on my fingers. But I did buy it for my toes, so for a pedicure. And I got black, my favorite color to do a toenail pedi. So, excited for that. I hope I don't screw it up and I like bake it on to me, or I've never used it. Also, they use those lights when they paint the safety eyes when you do your own, so if I do a good job on my toenails, maybe I'll paint some of my own safety eyes too. Let's see. Didn't really get a lot at Target. Just Sean got a Winnie the Pooh magazine that he's reading right now and some bubble gum. But other than that, that's all that we got. After that, we went to the very exciting BJ's. And I'm trying to think, oh, the BJ stuff is over here. So we got our favorite bread that's semi-healthy. We got some Gardein Ultimate Chicken Tenders. We're going to be having chicken parm tonight for dinner. They've got the Silk Protein milk back in stock, but unfortunately it wasn't on sale. It was $4.79, but it's still cheaper than ShopRite when it's not on sale. And they always have the best price on the Planet Oat creamer, so I got one there. And we got a case of water, we got a case of vitamin water, and we got a new tent because I really screwed up when I got the tent that we got. I wanted to get a heavy-duty tent that wasn't going to leak. Well, this one, it probably wouldn't leak, but it was very heavy rain. It was leaking along the seams, which was upsetting. And it's also very, very heavy, and it's impossible for one person to put up by themselves because there's no wheels on the bottom. So after yesterday, I just couldn't take it anymore. And the lady next to us, our vendor neighbor, was like, "You need to get a tent that you can put up by yourself." And I was like, "Yeah, you're right." So I noticed the last time we were at BJ's, Mark was telling me, "Oh, look at this 10 by 10 tent here, and it's on sale." So I was like, "Oh, I have a tent." So after yesterday, I wanted to go back and look at it, and sure enough, it was the last one they had. So we got it. And it looks really good. It fit in the car, super easy. The other tent, I don't think we could have fit it in the car the way we fit this one in the car, and that was even still in the box. So I hope I'm going to be really happy with it. I have a feeling I will because it looks really good. And it's got a silver coating on it too that will make it cooler because it reflects the sun's rays. I hope it's going to be good. It was $89.99, which I feel like is a really good price for a 10 by 10. Yeah, so that's all that we got at BJ's. Hopefully the tent will be good, fingers crossed. After that, we went to our favorite Aldi, and we got some usual suspects here. We got 4 bags of the California blend of frozen veg. I most of the time prefer to buy frozen veg and fruit because sometimes I don't finish it in time and it ends up in the garbage. Unfortunately, it dies a premature death. But in the freezer, I almost never have to throw it out. Sometimes I do if the power goes off, but that doesn't happen very often. But other than that, I don't think I've ever had to sacrifice any bags of frozen veg or fruit. So Mark prefers the Aldi brand of the pomegranate and blueberry thing. So we've gone back to buying it there because he just doesn't like the one that they have at BJ's. The name brand. He likes the Aldi brand. We got some tomato ketchup. I believe this one has cane sugar instead of, at least I hope it does. Yes, organic sugar. There's great ingredients in this. Salsa, baby carrots. I saw a little package of sweet potato jalapeno chips with avocado oil. Oh, I got some cashews for snacking. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. My favorite organic boulet that does not bother my stomach. A seedless cuke. 4 packs of tofu that are going to go right into the freezer because we usually freeze our tofu so that the texture changes, so that it makes it more chewy. We got some shreddy Maz, dairy-free of course. Some organic bananas, yes! Wonderful. So that means the last stop was ShopRite. We just got a few things at ShopRite. Actually, we had a drop off. Maddie requested that we get her a package of the yellow rice because they don't have it at this ShopRite by us. So we got her that, and I also happened to notice that the Beyond meatballs were on sale for $5.99. So we picked her up 2 packages of those, and she was very happy about that. She's having it tonight, in fact. All right. The ShopRite that we went to on Wednesday, even though it's so close, they don't have the same sales. It's really weird. But we got some pasta that was on sale for $1.49, the Italian pasta. I want to stock up on the mushroom gravy because we absolutely love this, and it's accidentally vegan. Sometimes you just need an emergency bowl of plain mashed potatoes with mushroom gravy. You just need it. If you had a bad day, mashed potatoes and gravy always makes it better. Pomegranate juice. They actually had a secret coupon on that, which is why I love to use the Cap Cart at ShopRite, because they have secret coupons on there that they don't have at the register. Got some refried black beans. These were on sale 2 for $3, I think. Or maybe even less. Ragu kettle also had like a secret coupon on it. $1.50 off of 2, I think. My Italian flour. I had a hankering for some spicy barbecue chips, so I got regular spicy barbecue chips. These are limited edition, I'm assuming, for the 4th of July, or maybe it's for Father's Day. Or maybe it's just for summer. I don't know. Maybe they'll have those all summer. I said the next time they had this on sale, I would get it, and Sean really enjoyed this. The veggie chow mein, so I got 2 of those for $1.99 each. Also, secret coupon on the Daring, $1.50 off. Vegan yellow rice mix. Mark picked out a nice sauce for stir fry night. Peanut butter, of course. Skippy Natural, God bless. The lettuce at Aldi on a Sunday is terrible, so I had to get the organic romaine at ShopRite. Not happy about that, but what are you going to do? Also, the broccoli was $1.99. I prefer 99 or $1.49, but I wanted to get some broccoli. And we got the not hot Beyond sausage, which was also on sale, like the meatballs, for $5.99, which is the best price that I've ever seen it, other than BJ's, which doesn't really count because they don't have the mild one. They only have the hot one. And that is everything that we got on today's shopping trip. Now I have my corn dogs in the oven, and they're almost ready, so I'm going to have a little snack before dinner, because dinner's probably going to be at least an hour and a half away, so I'm going to have my corn dog now. Oh, hi, it's VoiceOver Janet. I just thought I would show you the beautiful honeysuckle because I was so intoxicated this morning when I was taking Bowie for his walk after I got home from dropping off Sean. We have an entire hedgerow of delicious yellow and white honeysuckle, and it is in full bloom right now, and it smells amazing. It even goes up this half dead tree. Well, it's all dead, this tree, but it goes halfway up the tree and comes down. And here's a little update on the garden. It's doing great. We didn't lose any plants when we transferred them over to the ground. And I'm calling Bowie in now and telling him to stop eating that grass over there on the fence line. And we're going to go in the house and do our chores. Right, Bowie? Hi, Cozy Crocheter.
That's right.
Oh, I'm dying.
Sorry. What's wrong?
I don't know. I have like a little bit of a headache, and I've been sitting all day, and now my hip is hurting. And
So what? You should get up and move a little
I know. I do need to get up and move. It's been a very long weekend, and guess what? Didn't film very much, and I'm probably backlit right there. Probably backlit. I didn't film a lot. I've been trying to market prep like crazy because we have our biggest market, hopefully.
Yeah.
On Sunday.
I'm excited. I
I'm
hope
excited
the weather's gonna
too.
Be good. Sure, Sean, you already had chips.
You already have a donkey.
Alright, put that down for later. Thank you, sir. Maddie narked on you.
Sorry.
No, you're right. You're right.
Just trying to keep him healthy.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get comfy
Trying to
here.
keep him honest.
I know. I've been market prepping like crazy already because I know this is gonna be a big market, and I want to have a lot of small stuff.
Absolutely.
Because the small thing, you can sweat the small things for these markets. You should sweat the small things.
You should.
Because that's where your profits really start to add up.
Yeah, I've been working on pattern tests.
Yes.
Because I was gonna take it easy this week and just like market prep. Well, not take it easy, but like not do pattern testing or anything. But then like all of our friends were doing pattern tests, and I'm not gonna say no. So.
Well, thank you for saying yes, so that I could say no.
Yeah.
Because yeah, I got a lot going on. Even when it's not a market.
Yeah, so I'm getting those pattern tests done, and then
You're
I'm gonna
doing
be
a great job, and they're really, really cute. All of them. I can't wait to share them with everybody on Friday.
Everybody's been doing a great job with their designing.
Yeah, they're really, really special.
Yeah.
All of them. My Paddington's going to a new home.
Yes, Paddington will be going to the post office tomorrow.
Yeah, he's ready. Should I put a note on him and say,
"Oh my God,
take care of this bear"?
That'd be too cute. You should.
I should. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know what's going on anymore. I'm just trying to survive here.
Yeah, of course.
But we do have a birthday shout out. And that is for none other on June 10th for Chloe, which just so happens to be Jackie Newbury's daughter.
Chloe, happy birthday.
She was 34 last year, so guess how old she is this year?
She's my age.
Yes.
35. Happy 35th.
Yes, happy 35th. You're mid-30s.
That's right.
You're mid.
Yes.
So I hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
And your mom cared about you enough to get a birthday shout out for you, so you should probably say thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
That's sweet. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy Mark's going to be busting in here any minute.
Yeah, he should be home anytime now.
Which means the Bowmaster will be...
Yeah, he's going to be barking.
And then he's going to be barking when you go.
Barks all night.
Barks all night, except for after dinner. He's passed out after he has a nice little dinner.
He had a very nice playtime earlier.
Yeah.
We always do playtime before I exercise, and he knows it, he waits for it, and he loves it.
He does. When he wanted me to get the hell out of here, he was waiting in the kitchen because he knew that you were going to take him over and have the playtime.
That's right.
He's a creature of habit. He loves his routines.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
Yeah. I mean, it makes you feel better if you, like, know what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's almost air conditioner time in here. It's quite
quite
hot.
warm.
Yeah. I'm surprised we made it without the air conditioning today.
Me too.
Where's that Lammy? I hope she's not upstairs in that heat.
Girl.
Here, let me just... I'm going to hold this out over here and just Oh, she's not in her bed. I hope she's not baking like a loaf of bread up there in the window.
Not. Earlier, I summoned her with a Lammy, and she came.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, she came in.
I guess she likes it.
She likes to be warm.
Yeah.
Because she always loves napping in the sun.
Yeah.
She loves to be upstairs even when it's hot.
Yeah.
She loves it.
Hope
I
she's
do
not.
not.
Hope her brain's not cooking.
Hope not.
Cats are weird. Alright, well, I guess I gotta get back to work.
Yeah.
I got a bag full of whales here.
That's so cute.
Isn't it? I got this bag at Target. They had free samples in it. I think it's fun.
It is really, really cute.
Yeah. So, we got new patterns this week. So, anybody that's here from the Crochet Channel, too, make sure you check out. Well, tomorrow is going to be our market recap from our UFO fair.
Yes. Should be fun.
But we're going to have an entire week's worth of plushies on Friday.
Yeah.
And that's going to be exciting.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah. So, and it's not just market prep, it's new stuff.
It's going to be a bunch of new stuff.
Yeah.
Boss.
Hey, boss.
Well, I hope your wrists hold out.
Yeah, me too.
Mine have been surprisingly okay so far because I've been going hard since yesterday.
Yeah.
I took off the rest of Saturday, didn't do too much. I fell asleep after I had ice cream for dinner.
Oh, you had ice cream for dinner?
I did. Alright, Bobby, we know. We know. But I'm going to sign off because there's going to be a whole lot of barks.
Yeah, Dad, I just heard the door.
Yeah. Alright, have a good one, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
And until next time, much love, Major Borks.